Oliver, the UK economy seems to be recovering, however slowly, which would make this precisely the time to own a UK retail bank. And yet the FT is reporting that HSBC is thinking of floating their UK business. Why leave the party when it's just getting started?
Well, I don't think HSBC would leave the party entirely. It's thinking, we think, of floating a stake in it. So it would still own a lot of its UK bank, but also it would capitalise on a valuation difference. If you look at Lloyds Bank, which is only UK, that trades on about 15 times forward earnings. HSBC, with all its big global exposure and its exposure to Asia, only trades on about 12. So there's potentially a bit of a valuation difference to make up if it floats off a little bit of its UK business.
What does HSBC look like ex-UK, as it were?
So ex-UK, it's very big. It's got businesses all over the world. The biggest is in Hong Kong, and obviously Hong Kong grows as a proportion if the UK is taken out. And Hong Kong has been a very good business for HSBC, but there are threats. The economy could slow down. The big Chinese banks are trying to expand there. So it's not altogether a great move to be slightly more Hong Kong. That said, HSBC is all about global trade and commercial banking, and a big UK retail business doesn't quite fit in so well.
Are there logistical or legal headaches that would arise as a result of separating the UK franchise?
Well, part of this arises from legal changes and regulatory changes. In the UK, the Vickers rules are going to enforce ring fencing. So HSBC is in any case going to have to split up its UK retail business from its UK investment banking business. And the theory goes that if they're going to go to all the trouble to do that, they might as well float off a little bit of retail. So this all grows out of regulatory and legal change. But it wouldn't be an easy transaction to do.
Do you like the move? Is this what HSBC ought to be doing?
I'm not sure that the move makes an awful lot of sense at the moment, certainly not if it's only to take advantage of a bit of a valuation change. If HSBC decides that strategically it doesn't want to be in UK retail, then yeah, it's a precursor perhaps to a bigger move, but I don't think valuation is the right reason to do it.
Very good. Thank you.